In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your bookings on Calendly with our comprehensive 2025 guide. Whether you're new to Calendly or just need a little refresher, this guide will help you navigate through your bookings with ease. So let's dive right in. To begin with, you'll need to open your web browser and venture over to the Calendly website. Simply type calendly.com into the address bar and hit enter. As soon as you're on the Calendly homepage, you'll notice a few options scattered around, including one that says log in the top right corner. Feel free to click on that. You're going to need your credentials to access your account, and this is where the journey starts. One of the most straightforward ways to log in is by using your Google account. On the login page, you'll see the option to continue with Google. Click on that and you'll be prompted to select the Google account you want to use. It's important to choose the account associated with your Calendly profile to ensure you're accessing the right set of bookings. Once you've selected the correct Google account, you'll find yourself redirected to your Calendly dashboard. This area is packed with various options on the sidebar, but what you're aiming for is the Meetings tab. So go ahead and click on Meetings. This is where you can view and manage all your appointments easily. Within the Meetings section, you'll notice some tabs running across the top that let you filter your bookings based on their status. Let's start by exploring the Upcoming tab. Click on it, and you'll see a list of all your scheduled future appointments. This is a fantastic way to get a glimpse of what's lined up for you and ensure you're fully prepared for every meeting coming your way. For those appointments that have been requested but still await your confirmation, the Pending tab will be your go-to. By clicking on Pending, you'll find a list of all meetings that require your attention to confirm. This is a crucial section to check regularly so you don't let any potential meetings slip through the cracks. Lastly, if you need to look back at your previous appointments, you'll want to click on the Past tab. This section is especially helpful for review purposes. Whether you're tracking your productivity or compiling notes from previous discussions, having a detailed record of your past meetings is extremely valuable. And there you have it. You're now equipped with the knowledge you need to view your bookings on Calendly. Make it a routine to check both your upcoming and pending tabs to stay organized and on top of your schedule. If you ever need to revisit past appointments, remember the Past tab is just a click away. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Until next time, happy scheduling!